Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the hidden potential in the team menu. Tap the team menu and tap this one, hidden potential page. So in this page, you can unlock all the paths to maximize your or optimize your units. For example, like I want to pick one of unit that I want to maximize the hidden potential or unlock the hidden potential. Well, I choose this guy, go thanks. So I already rainbow this guy. So if you want to make this go thanks or the other units rainbow or unlock all the path, you have to maximum or you have to make his super attack until 10 is minimum. Or for the FA unit, Dokkan Fast unit is UR1 for example is 10 super attack level, and you will unlock all the paths, especially this the last path in here and the bottom right. This is require super attack level 10 to unlock this. For example, this one. Sorry. This one the example. So this is the last path. I already unlock the path. This one, but I cannot unlock the orbs because my super attack level is only 1. So I need to level up minimum until 10 to unlock this last path. And also you can add some skill orb in here. For example, let's get back to super good things. As you can see, these skill orbs, there are so many skill orbs like this one. Is skill orb you can equip to increase the attack, and this is for HP, and also this is for dodge, and many more. You have to learn one by one. So please free to try to upgrade your hidden potential of your character. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.